At deskbird, we are a 100% fully remote company, and we have amazing people from almost 20 different countries and counting. But just because we are fully remote, it doesn't mean we don't treasure human connection. As a matter of fact, we have a department created just for that, to improve and maintain human connection. And because of that, in April 2022, deskbird got the entire company in the beautiful region of Tuscany, Italy. We've stayed 1 week in an absurdly beautiful rustic country house, and I can only describe it to you in 3 words: amazing. Sure, we had meetings, announcements, and a lot of brainstorming. But the number one thing that we had the most was team building exercises. And we took those very seriously. And here are some of the exercises that we've done. Wine tasting. Oh, those wines from south of Italy, so good. We exchanged cultural dancing techniques. And speaking of techniques, we exchanged singing techniques too. It's amazing what you can learn from other countries. Then we had some orange juice drinking competition. We had singing lessons done by professionals, ping pong competition, driving lessons, food. Oh my god, the food. I can do an entire video just with the food that we had in Tuscany. Oh, and for a sweet surprise, we even had a birthday. Then we had origami competition. And because it's Italy, we even had a Parmigiano cheese eating competition. Oh, we had yoga classes too. Oh, it was so relaxing. Then we had swimming pool parties, like the ones you see it on MTV. And speaking of swimming pool, we even had a nice photo shoot. And we finish it with a nice fire and some kumbaya songs. Now, there's one thing that deskbird treasures the most. And no, it's not our product or our clients. It's our people. They are the secret of our success. They are the reason that deskbird is what it is today.
Think big each day. It's something that is truly important to me. I think that with imagination and with just like believing and setting oneself also like very ambitious targets, that we can achieve all the things that we want to achieve.
Ownership, because it's the first time that I have felt that I have the full ownership of every single step of the way in each process. And it's very important because you can then feel all your input in every single part of the way.
So I joined deskbird a bit more than a year ago as a working student. Now I'm working full-time here and I really love it. So we're a super cool team, very collaborative. We're always in it together, we fight together and we celebrate together. So that's what I really love about working here. And we always support each other, we're always here when somebody needs help. We're a real team, so I'm very much enjoying my working life here.
I joined the software engineering team 1 month ago and I was already feeling very motivated and inspired, so I'm really happy that I'm part of the deskbird team.
Actually, it doesn't feel like work. It's more or less like working with great people, doing cool stuff, being here in Tuscany. We have a great product, great team, super strong vision, and it's been really nice environment full of supporting people.
I joined deskbird a year and a half ago, and ever since I really feel as a deskbird, not as a software engineer. I just feel as a deskbird at first place. It's everything is amazing, team is amazing. We are all about the success of the deskbird. We are the deskbirds. We live as a deskbird, and even on my LinkedIn, I'm no longer a software engineer. I am a deskbird.
Great experience for me to work as an old man in this company with all these amazing people and talents, and to create an environment and a place for them to bring their best performance.
It really does feel like a family. Like it is a certain professional basis for sure, but on top of that you can really feel a strong relationship with everyone, so we really care about each other. That's a great part, and it's really value adding, I would say.
I've joined deskbird as their first employee in September 2020, and I built or helped building everything up from the ground up and saw how the team was growing, and it's so amazing to see your personal impact in this beautiful venture, seeing how the team is growing, how we all support each other, how we professionalize our working process more and more, and yeah, it's just beautiful.
An inspiring challenge.
Passion.
When dreams come true.
Inspirational.
Amazing.
Journey of a lifetime.
The greatest team.
The next unicorn.
Love.
People. A movement.
Deskbird is my life.
An adventure.
The future.
Friendship.
Truly an amazing place.
Your next opportunity.